As promised, today we are kicking off a new series on how to make your own tea blend. We will be looking at a set of 10 base ingredients that we will use in a series of tea blends that you can follow along with at home, as well as providing a launching spot for you to go and make your own tea blend. So, the first two ingredients we are going to be using are black and green tea loose leaf. Black tea is the most common kind of tea and also the darkest. It carries a bold, hearty flavor and notably has more caffeine than any other type of tea. An English breakfast or Irish breakfast will work beautifully for our purpose. Despite coming from the same plant as black tea, green tea couldn't be more different. It has a distinctive green color and a more grassy flavor. It works really well with fruit and floral flavors. Next, we move on to herbal teas. Peppermint leaves or peppermint tea have great calming effects and are very soothing to the stomach. It also has a very nice sharp mint flavor that can add a subtle touch to just about any blend. Hibiscus petals are our next addition. They have an intense, deep red color paired with a strong, sour, fruity floral taste that is absolutely wonderful. It also helps lower both blood pressure and blood sugar. It can be a bit hard to find outside of specialty tea stores, so I'll leave a link down below to where you can find it online. Next, licorice root, with its delicious flavor known for hanging around on your palate. It is incredible for sore throats. I have tried many different methods for dealing with an angry throat, and licorice tea is the best I have found for fast-acting relief. You can feel it working while drinking it. It is not commonly found except in specialty stores or health food stores, so I'll leave a link in the description where you can find it online. Finally, our last herbal tea is chamomile. It is great for stress relieving, promoting calm, and aiding sleep. It serves as a great base when green or black tea's caffeine isn't desirable, such as before bed. Now we move on to spices. Any list of blending ingredients would be incomplete without ginger. This is a superstar spice that has it all: unbeatable flavor and a very long list of health benefits that make it useful for a wide range of ailments, including but not limited to congestion, upset stomach, and even joint pain. Next up, we have cinnamon. It packs a punch both in flavor and health benefits, including lowering blood sugar and reducing the risk of heart disease. We will be using the powdered version. Moving right along, we go to another potent spice with turmeric. It has been used for thousands of years in India for its numerous and potent health benefits, especially for the immune system and digestive tract. It carries a very bright, concentrated yellow color. The powder can stain skin and clothes, so a bit of caution is advised when handling it. Cardamom is the final ingredient on our list. It's the spice that gives chai most of its yummy holiday-type flavor. It has a very unique anti-cavity property and helps prevent fat buildup around the liver. Using these 10 ingredients, we will go through a series of blends and tea-based beverages that you can follow along with at home and hopefully create some of your own. In addition to the ingredients, we will also be using a tea ball, mug, and teapot. Also, you can find links to all the teas used in this video in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.